Attention! Good. How many times have I warned you about this rubbish that you did today? How many times I don't want you say person when no get money no they come for Tizo? Eh? You carry person when they use touchlight phone. You see the phone with that man they use?
It's a client.
Which client? Which client? You carry your fellow granola seller come here, make come buy property. Eh? Now tomatoes will they sell for here?
So sorry, sir.
No time is sorry, say it loud.
So sorry, sir.
I don't tell you say anybody will not carry from iPhone 11 up like this. No they attend to them. Eh? Yes, somebody will carry 3,000 naira. Come here, come they fight face me and slap you for Banana Island. Face me and face you there for Banana Island. You there answer me?
You know the.
You know they. And you say me you come here, come find them. Eh? No try him again, no. But this is what you do so now. Eh? Your punishment. You go wash this company boss. I know say you need, you go wash him again. If I see say you still need, you go see wash him again. They hear me?
Yes, sir.
You they hear me?
Yes, sir.
Don't chop.
I never chop, sir.
I know they hear you.
I never chop, sir.
Say him again.
I never chop, sir.
And they see us in the play talking.
I never chop, sir.
You never chop?
I never chop.
Go drink Gary. So I will attend to you, eh?
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Welcome to the office.
Wahala no too much.
My dear. See, I don't know how somebody can be in a toxic relationship. Like, you're in a place where they're physically beating you steady and you're still there. I cannot do it. And Becky is too beautiful and too classy for this now. Come on. It could be because of the money. Because why else would somebody be taking beating like this? Sure, that's their business, I beg. Whatever they want to do, they should do it. My love, please, you like gossip. I'll call you back later. I have to get back to work, okay? Bye, my love. See you.
Sorry, excuse me, madam. That's your call.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. What happened for that your call? I mean, I hear for that your call, they talk say because the guy get money, he can't they beat the woman, Eh? Women self get as they behave. I don't think take that kind of thing.
Right. Firstly, don't you know it's rude to eavesdrop on someone's call? And secondly, come. I thought I've told you times without number that you're meant to speak good English in the office space.
Madam.
And what do you mean by women? So you get as they do. What do you mean by that?
I swear I know it's drop. I know it's drop. I just hear them as they talk, say they beat her. In fact, if women no get choice, anytime man don't get money, and some woman go they turn them up and down. Some women they do their things.
Right, did she ask you to be concerned about her? Did she beg you to worry about her? Do you know her? Hey, why you can't carry her matter for your head?
I just did concern.
You're just do you know her?
I don't know.
So wait first. You're saying women is get as if they come and you come out. No, if they call people that are men that have money, that women should hold themselves back for you, come out.
Yes, ma'am.
You will come out.
No.
My friend, get off my front. No sense.
As a man, somebody needs to get steeze and composure. If na me, Ray do this thing where Ray just do now, so I swear to God, if I don't give her a slap, I'll be fool.
Eh?
Yes. I go woes and better woes.
You want slap her?
You go next to madam slap.
You want slap Ray?
Why I don't go slap her?
Why you go slap her?
I don't understand. This small girl, can't follow person they talk like that. Now they let all these things they happen. If no one they call her madam, or they call her madam. You just call her madam.
Martin!
Ma!
Martin, please come!
I'm coming, ma. Which made you laugh?
I think you say you
don't call her banana.
She never fuck up for my side. If she fuck up for my side, I go put her for her place. A man, this kind of girl will be saying, on a normal day, I go marry her and just talk.
Okay, shut up. Keep quiet.
Yes, ma.
Keep quiet and get out. Go and answer her. You lie too much.
Ma.
See am.
Hey!
See, the thing wey even dey worry me no be the thing wey madam dey talk o. Na the fact say she dey look me, madam dey look me finish as I be like this now. Dey tell me say I no be man. Dey act like say I be small pikin.
Fred, if they call man, you go stand.
I get brocos so.
No. If they put line of man now, so you go stand as you dey like this.
I no go come outside.
You no fit come outside because na chore you like to dey do. The one where they call you, the one where they no call you, you go chook mouth. So tell me why they no go follow you?
Yeah, just consign, I dey consign. If I no consign, I no go put to my mouth.
Oh guy, it is called concern, not consign.
Concern.
Yes.
Okay, concern. Now concern. If I no consign.
I beg. If you don't do, I beg. This morning, when person will chop.
That's what I even want, self. Please, what are we going to eat?
And there is Tasha. Now, I did not forget her. She was out meeting with the clients when I introduced the others. So I skipped introducing her. Well, Tasha is the face of my company. She's my receptionist and my customer service staff. Oh, she is sweet, pretty fond of me, and possibly the nicest staff in the office. But she's got a thing with food. She's always eating. If not eating, chewing gum, something must shall be in her mouth. Aside that, she's a very respectful and hardworking lady. All right, time to go now. Bye.
What are we going to eat?
So when they talk food now, you put mouth inside.
What's your business?
You know wetin be time?
I will not eat again.
10:29. This morning you don't chop 2 plates of rice already. And you see they find another food. Where you dey chop this food put?
Now why them talk say you no be man? Every time cho.
Ay, straight bullets.
So what are we eating now?
One day, gym no go contain all of them. Because if you don't chop, your belly will be like this. It will begin waka like this, waka like this.
At least I see food chop.
That's why I get away with it.
You self. As you do like this, every time I eat chop. Even the food where they chop, if you know they go chop food.
It's God.
It's God that did what?
It's God.
Now God make you like this.
It's God.
You eat too much, control it. Man, no they like on the way they chop too much. Get out of here, I beg. It's like say you be smoking shifts. Come on here from my side. That one liar, you chopper. That one talk. Don't tire for now for this office. So. System no dey own.
Ray and I are leaving the office very soon. So please tell everybody to be on the best behavior, please. I don't want to get any complaints from clients or anyone else, I beg.
Trust me, madam. Trust me.
Yeah, and secondly, there's an Instagram post you made. I don't really like it. I'm not feeling it. The graphics is not so good.
Which one is that, madam?
This one.
Okay, I would work on it right now, ma.
I trust you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
very much.
Madam, safe trip as you are going now.
No problem.
All right, you're not coming back today, ma.
I'm not sure yet.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma. Yes, ma.
Bye.
Small madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please, finish the gist, I beg. What did you say Becky did?
My sister.
She doesn't want to leave that abusive boyfriend up. Is she waiting for him to kill her?
My sister. Do you know that she was actually hospitalized? She didn't tell me, but it was Choma that told me. Apparently, the whole beating gave her mental issue. I mean, mental stress. So she took a broken mirror and cut her wrist. And do you know the crazy thing now is that her neighbor thought she was struggling with somebody and then came in to help her and found her lying on the floor, like she fainted.
Bleeding out.
Bleeding. From her own blood, that's why she fainted.
What is wrong with her? Is she... Wait though, I don't understand. So if not for the neighbor, she could have been in the pool of her blood for God knows how long.
She would have died from there.
Did she go into an oath to never love this man or what? I don't understand. Or is this just love?
What kind of nonsense love? That please, if it's love, I don't want it to reach me.
So this is love.
Please, Nini, I'm not in that mood. What time are we leaving?
I don't know. I'm waiting for this call. He has not called me.
Hey, speaking of call, Mommy called me. Did she call you? Mommy didn't call you.
What? You're feeling special now? As what? You're just a fish. Get out.
Yes. Martin, what's going on? Share the good news. I don't understand. Why are you dancing?
Hey! Today is my day to shine.
They don't increase your salary.
Tell us now.
That is not the point. The point is that today I will shine.
And shine. Let us know what thing they make you the shining.
Yes.
You see. Madam and the sister, they are going out and they are not coming back today.
Is that why you're dancing? What's
How
so
that
special?
one can't be?
I don't understand. But you know, say if you leave this office, I go report you. Make you know that one now.
If you want to report me now. After you report, I'm going to say, okay, all of us, we planned it together. As we planned it together.
Martins, I never see understand you. Madam, they come out. How I think relates to everything.
His wisdom will be close to you. Listen, so you know that babe that I've been telling you before.
Which one? You get them plenty.
Don't worry, not.
Okay, Slim Modella. Slim Modella.
She don't stop. She say she want family come work since. I don't just tell her to say no because I lie for us and I make it the office.
Hey! Martins, you dey lie.
Swear.
So what do you come want now? What do you define now? Now they ask.
So to crown it all up, I want if she come, this is what you're going to do for me. You're going to make her believe that I'm the boss of this company. That you now, so you're my gate man. And maybe Tasha now, so she's my secretary. Yes.
Tasha is your what? Martin, please, I don't want any part of this thing. Count me out.
Martins, why are you so fake? Why can't you just own it up and just tell this girl that this place is not for me? You wear the squats for Lagos. House rent you never pay. You dey live this kind of life.
Martins, leave them. Na jealousy they worry them.
Make I tell you something. Any woman wey go like you for who you be.
Exactly.
Even if you be pomo seller, you get kiosk, you be gate man. Woman wey won't like you go like you, no be by all this fake life where you dey live.
Martins.
Change, Martins. Change.
Martins, no bother
No, wait,
yourself.
leave her. I beg if you paying you too much, carry plaster am for your body.
I go report
Nonsense.
you.
Report now.
I will report you.
I don't say it's not report now.
happens,
If
I
you
will
report,
you.
I will talk, say all of us now plan together. See
Martins,
See my
we dey
hospital.
together.
Both of them beg
What
you.
you go do?
We dey
Yeah,
together.
I will talk to all of us now together.
As long as you
Martins.
give me something.
Sorry, please, where's the file I asked you
Yeah.
for?
The one for our department.
Madam.
Yes.
We are going out now, okay?
Oh.
I don't think I'll be coming back this side because of traffic. I don't want to get.
Oh.
Beatrice, I didn't know you're not out on the field today. Just take charge of everything, alright?
Okay.
Oh, we are gone. Knock up by close of business.
Martin, why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Mean. I hope you don't have plans of leaving this office.
No, I don't like that.
Better.
Hey, let's go. I'm coming.
Bye.
Martins, you hear what say Madam talk, Abi? You hear what she talk? I should take charge of this place. If you bring anybody come here, if you move an inch from this
one
company,
again.
Oh boy.
I go report you and I'll make sure they sack you.
Madam, don't
I
come
beg, let
up
me
there.
check for me.
Ha!
She don't go.
Simple like this now, it don't make sense. So I beg, I will go up now. I go check grandma says everything there. If I don't check I'm here, I will come back. We go now, we go out.
Try arrange madam office well.
Yes.
Make you come out all her photo well. Make you just shift all her award, make her name no show. So you go be like saying that you be the boss.
Yes. Also, I beg if this girl come, I beg, package yourself well. You know, say make it be like say my security staff came out. You go say, you are stupendously beautiful.
Martins.
That grammar go too much.
Talk him. You remember tell you say, you go do your mouth this place like this. Go, stupendously beautiful.
You are
No, talk and make you know talk too much. You are stupendously beautiful.
okay. You are stupendiously
Not
beautiful.
stipends. stupendously beautiful.
Okay, you are stupendously beautiful.
Stupendously beautiful. Say it. No. Just put that for your head. So this is what I want for me. Make her go up and go check everything. Please pretend. You know, you people are going to need me one day to show you know.
Who
right?
will need you? God forbid.
So
Who
that
will
is
need
someone that will
better
need me
make
for
her beg her than make her need you? You are today, yes, so where fake life won't destroy your life.
If you pay, you put plaster.
I go report you.
If
I will report you. Let me see the girl here. I will fake life.
I dare you.
Imagine if he used this energy for anything in his life, apart from woman.
So you now one bottle, now they take
You
deceive
are
you.
stupidiously beautiful.
Stupid. Now one bottle, now they take deceive you. That's why you ever remain poor. You ever beg for your life.
That one now your man.
One bottle, make them order your hand. Make them order your hand.
Shameless.
You are stupidiously
Get some
beautiful.
shame.
No.
Everybody come on. My dude. We're family. We're fly. We're family. But we're fly. And we jiggy jiggy. And we boogie boogie. We get the mola mola. Don't mess with us.
But guys, what's in the shop?
Nothing then go see you.
I don't understand.
So one thing now make person concentrate now.
You say what's in?
Concentrate.
Concentrate.
Concentrate. Okay.
English won't wound you. Bad English won't finish you.
Hello. Yeah, baby. Oh, you're in the street already, right? Oh, good. Once you're coming in, on your right-hand side, you're going to see a white building. On top of the building, when I was building it, I put Fortizos on top of it. Oh, yeah, sure, yeah. All right. So once you come in, my security man, yes, my security man will be down to pick you up to my office. Most of the time I'm upstairs, I hardly come down because when I come down, most of the time I don't want to mingle with all these lesser people. You know, there's a lot of sea finish in this country, so I don't want it.
Yeah.
Yes. No, it's not as if I just have a reason why I do that. Okay, baby. Sure. I love you so much. Yeah, see you soon. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, fake life won't just finish from people. Why you so fake? Why are you so fake? You can never be real.
I'm not talking to you. Guy. That's the matter be now. The only thing I want me to do right now is this. Once you come, you go to say my boss is upstairs.
My boss
is upstairs.
It's
my
upstairs.
guy. I didn't like, you know what I got you.
As long as you go.
No man, I'm not going to do potatoes with potato.
Fake life.
My boss.
Fake life.
Because of person will go oil my hand. No, it concern me. I feel even call him my senior man. I feel call him my God. As long as he go.
Last.
Hello. Please, I'm here to see Martin and Maggie. Maggie.
My boss is in the office. He say when you come, I took you come.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. But sorry. You look stupidiously beautiful.
Yay.
Excuse me?
No, it's correct.
Excuse me?
Sorry. Let me take you to my boss.
Right.
Let me take you to my boss. Come. Hey.
So after all the rehearsal, he's still f***ed up.
I'm so sorry for that girl.
Now the girl at the beat person when never fit pay house rent, where they squat. I don't get it. That guy is so fake.
So what if she asks
Martins
for
is
money
fake.
now? What will he give her?
I've Have you asked him for money for coke before? Very stingy. Very
Baby.
Wow.
Wow.
Martin,
Ay.
you didn't tell me your office was this beautiful.
Oh, rubbish. I just don't want to blow my own trumpets.
Wow.
Oh, you can go now. Yes, sir. Sure. I'll be fast about it. And also tell those people to be fast about it. I might fire any one of them that don't deliver on time, okay? Yes, sir.
Yeah, by the way, your security man just called me stupid.
What? He did?
Yeah, but I'm kind of confused. He called me beautiful after that.
Oh, that boy. Most of the time his English is very, very trashy. Maybe he's trying to say stupendously beautiful.
Oh. Wow, now I feel bad for not thanking him.
I know, right?
Wow.
So, do you care for something to drink?
Nah, I'm good. Water is fine.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Just water?
Yeah, water is fine. Again, your office is really, really beautiful.
Like I say, I don't like to.
Who is this lady?
Who?
The lady?
Oh, this! This is what artwork I got back then one of the days when we went for conference. Yes. Abroad.
Right.
Yes.
It's really nice.
Oh,
Such a nice
really,
place.
really beautiful. It's
Yeah.
very. It looks like the Shade I do.
Wow, you have good taste then.
Thank you, my baby.
Oh.
Yes. So, are you sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good. So the other ladies at the entrance, they're your staffs, right?
The ladies downstairs.
Yes.
Oh yeah, sure. One of them is my secretary, and the other one is my field agent. Yes.
Okay. As your secretary, I mean, is she not supposed to be the one to like bring me up here? Isn't that like her job or something?
Oh, well, most of the time, maybe she's busy doing something, definitely, but the security man was instructed specially to bring you due to security reasons. I don't want nobody like talking to you in a way I don't like.
Anyway, that's fine, but then at least they would have responded to my greeting or something. They were just being, nonchalant.
They did not?
When I came in, yeah.
I would fire them. I don't mess. Listen, I don't play. I don't joke. When it comes to things that are close to my heart, I don't joke. I will go downstairs when we're taking that, and I'll fire them. She will lose her job today.
Baby.
And that girl begs for her job so much.
Oh, it hasn't gotten to that extent, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, it's fine.
You have a good soul.
Yeah. And please don't fire her, okay? It's really hard to get jobs these days, so just let it slide. You're a big boss now, so you don't have to stress it so much. Oh, my baby is a big boss, so.
Baby. You can't be that fat for any baby now. Come to Come through. Cane! My sugar cane!
I'll feel you.
I can pamper you.
Aww.
I can take care of you.
Are you sure?
Baby, your love, they shock me out like a go-go-ro. I go die for you, I no go lie for you. Nothing in this world I no go do for you. If I'm looking at you, I compose songs. Just your face like this. Wait, let me look at your face. Melanin popping like a go-go-ro. Melanin popping like a go-go-ro. You're too sweet, baby.
Have you seen your security guy?
Fred!
Morning, ma. Madam, I was not sleeping. I was only praying.
You were praying.
Yes.
Fred, do I look like a fool to you?
Small madam, na pray I dey pray now. Na amen I wan talk before na enter.
Why are you lying? Must you lie? You would have just simply apologized and we all move on. It's like you're taking me for granted, right? Because you know you're my person.
Madam,
Abi?
be so.
Abi, where is Martin? I need him to send a brief to the lawyer ASAP.
Madam, Martins? Hi. Martins, madam, I don't know.
You don't know where?
Martins.
What does that mean? Beatrice, where's Martin?
Martins, I think Martins stepped out to get something.
So he left this office
To get something, ma.
Can Martins ever stay one place?
You don't know where Martin is. You think he stepped out. Are you not supposed to be in charge of this office in my absence?
Ma, it's not like that.
When he gets back, tell him to meet me in my office. I'm tired of this bullshit you guys give me here. What? Because I don't talk? I step out and everybody acts like they want?
Ma, see, my armpit is clean. I'm not.
Your armpit is always clean, Beatrice. Always clean. Even when you're telling lies, always clean.
Beatrice, which one can't be them? Madam, even me too, I know they part of them.
What are you people talking about?
Sis, please.
What? You think because you're a top performer, you don't have faults, Sabi?
Ma, it's not about that. So I'm just saying that I shaved my armpit this morning. It's clean. I'm not among them, ma.
Me too, I'm not among them.
Yes.
Sis, please, let's leave this thing and go upstairs. We're already tired.
Madam.
Excuse me.
Ma.
Madam. Madam.
You see what he calls Abby?
So sweet. If I leave here, I will die.
Excuse me.
Oh, Jesus!
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry for barging on you. I'll just step outside and wait for your call, okay?
Madam, I'm sorry, I can explain. I really can explain.
Babe, I don't understand. What's going on? Who is she? Wait, please don't tell me you're married and she's your wife.
Okay, that's my boss.
I don't understand. I thought you said you're the boss.
Can you just stop talking, please?
Nini, please say something unless I'll do something stupid here.
Hello, young lady. Nice to meet you. My name is Nini. You're actually in my office.
Wait, hold up. You're the. I thought you said you're the boss. I don't understand. What's wrong?
Please, now, please, I can explain to you later. Just leave now.
Leave how? Why should I leave? Wait, baby. You don't need to panic here. I mean, if she's the general boss, it's totally understandable. But for her to enter your office without knocking, that's rude.
I said she's my boss. Like, can you just leave me? We'll explain this thing later. Can you leave?
Auntie, please, can you leave here? Hello? And who are you to tell me to leave? I'll show you. Let me tell you. Come show me. Are you mad? Get out of this office now. Are you mad? I should show you who I am. Get the hell out of this office. Are you mad?
Right, okay. Let me just handle it. Young lady, please.
You know what? That's fine. I'm going to leave. As for you, you're such a disappointment. In fact, don't just delete my number, lose it, baby my foot. To think I actually trusted you. You know, it's not even about all of this, but I really liked you for who you are, and you turned out to be a disappointment. Sis, you've seen what I used to tell you. Now you've created a Frankenstein for yourself. Stop giving these people free hand. You'll say, I'm being unreasonable. Now see, look at it.
I left the office for 1 minute and you turn it into a playground. Please go downstairs and tell everybody to assemble right now. I'm going to address this once and for all. Now, leave!
The work of the devil, I know.
What nonsense, devil? My friend, get out of here!
Madam, it's the work of the devil. I promise you this will never happen again. I promise.
Treat your staff.
Ray, not now! Please go downstairs and join them. So you mean to tell me I cannot trust 4 adults to handle my office in my absence?
Ma. That was what I was trying to explain to you.
Yes,
That's my armpits are clean.
Auntie, will you shut up your mouth?
Shut up! If you're not
that was part of the plan, you would have called me or called the boss.
I was afraid.
Beatrice, don't you dare interrupt me while I'm speaking.
I'm sorry, Ma.
You just did it again.
Shut up.
And it's good that you're sorry, because you definitely will be by the time I'm done with you guys. First of all, I walked into the office and met Fred sleeping. And then I asked him where Martin was. He lied to me.
Madam, I know, it's not lie. That time, his Fred he gone to peace that time. So I was not. I'm thinking that person come.
You
now.
see the lie. Fred, you see the lie. Were you not the one that told
Can I hear? Just keep quiet.
Sorry, Ma.
Didn't you lie to me? Beatrice, didn't you lie to me? I always thought you were my most reliable staff, but you highly disappointed me today. Now, this is what is going to happen. For this rubbish stunt you guys pulled today, there will be repercussions. But today is a day of grace. Because it's the first time it is happening.
Thank you,
This is
madam.
no
Thank
now.
you.
God bless you.
No, now.
Yes, you will
Let me
never
finish.
have
Don't thank me yet. I'm going to dock all of your salary. I will not let it slide. Yes, today is a day of grace. I would have fired all of you, but I will dock your salaries.
By how many percent? Sis, by how many percent?
No, I'm begging. No, say I get pikin. I get family to give food, madam, because let the milk of human kindness flow to you, because, madam, because, I got to feed my pikin for school, I got to carry on my children. Please, ma,
temper justice with mercy.
I love.
Let mercy speak from your heart to us, ma.
Madam.
It will not happen again. We are sorry, ma.
Madam.
Martin, just take a look at what you have done.
Madam, please.
Take a look at what you have done in our office.
I promise it will never happen again. Yes, I promise. Hey!
Please.
That's why my pikin go take come out for school.
This is my final decision.
Please, ma, please. I didn't have anything to do with this thing at all, please. It was Martin. Martin, talk now.
Martin is...
Talk now.
Yeah, madam.
Talk.
Okay. Madam, I'm very, very sorry. I swear to God. Now let me do everything. I planned everything that happened. They were not part of it at all. None of them is part of it. It's just me. I'm sorry, please. Mama, just leave them and anything you want to do, let me be the Jesus Christ on the cross, please. Please, let me be sacrificial for all of them, please.
Because you did it.
Let me do just one thing and I know I've done good. They are not part of it. Please, I beg you, please. Thank you, madam. Let the milk of human kindness.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sis.
Martin, thank you for your honesty.
Thank you, ma.
I'm going to let you guys go.
Sis.
But Martin, you have to take the fall for it.
Thank you.
Like you just said. I'm going to dock your salary, but I'm not going to do it while you put in the work. So I'm suspending you from now on indefinitely.
Exactly.
So pack your things and just leave, okay?
That's how it's supposed to be. Exactly. Thank you for nailing the name on the head.
Auntie, shut up your mouth. Just make sure this doesn't happen again.
It will never happen again. I will always be in charge.
Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. May God bless you. Bless your soul.
Madam, thank you. God bless you.
God bless you.
Madam, God bless you.
You really temper justice with mercy.
And love.
Thank you, ma'am.
Martins.
And let some people go.
Martins, you suppose don't beg madam when small madam no dey there. She for don't agree. Why you do this kind of thing?
Problem. I will go.
Go.
It is time. Even when Jesus Christ went on the cross, he said it that this is the time.
Go, Martins.
Sorry, Sorry.
Martins, go.
Sorry.
You have done enough.
Sorry,
More than enough. Go.
Sorry,
Go and rest at home.
Sorry, Sorry. No problem. You go enjoy this year suspension. But don't forget the 10,000 where you promised me.
It is finished.
Wetin finish?
When Jesus was on the cross, there was somebody by this one hand side. It was not the repentant one.
For the rest, we are repentant. Let me go.
Omo, I'm upset. I'm upset that I'm upset. Does that happen to you? You get more angry because you're angry. In fact, you're more angry at the fact that you're angry than the actual reason you got angry in the first place. It's weird, right? But that's me. And now my head will go on overdrive. You know, wondering if I was too hard on them. If I was too hard on Martin. Exhausting, isn't it? Should I call off the suspension? Do you think I handled the situation well? Did I? I think that if I'm any softer, these people will begin to take me for a ride. I mean, you see how Martin already overstepped his boundary. By the way, why did he think he had to pretend to be who he is not just to impress a girl? How long did he think he was going to sustain it for? You see how it turned out? What Maggie said? See, a genuine person will not care about what you have or what you don't have. They'll be interested in you, how you make them feel, who you really are. So why do we live fake lives? Living a fake life will make you lose good people, make you lose good things. Well, the choice is ours, I think. Do you want to build your relationships on faulty foundation and have it crumble later? I don't know. To me, I would say honesty is the best policy. Now, bye for now. See you in the next episode.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Have fun now.
Everybody come on.
Welcome to the office.
It's another one.
And we dig it. And we boogie. We get the mola. Let's get us. Come on. You gotta love us. You gotta love us. You just gotta love us. To the office. Me, I don't know if you're the Welcome to my office.
Madam, make a rap for this song. Make a rap for this song. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Wahala, no too much.
Who did that door? Who did that? Who did for the door since? Let's open and be closed.
Come in and go and sit down now.
I'll do out. Let's go again. So as you stand up at the court, frame you for up again. When you go catch her for up, bang bang. The editor gets in like bang bang. Alright, let's go. Take two. Actors in character. 3, 2, 1, and action.